Transform your Notion workspace into a dynamic dashboard by building a real-time clock. First, create a new page in Notion. This will house our clock. Name it something descriptive like digital clock or workspace time. Next, we'll add a database. Select inline table and name it clock data. This is where the magic happens. Delete all default properties except the name property. Create a new formula property and name it time. This is where we'll insert our formula to display the time. Inside the formula editor, paste this formula. This formula dynamically retrieves the current time. Confirm and then close. Now, add a single entry to the name column. Call it current time. You should now see the current time updating in the time column. To make our clock visually appealing, change the database layout to gallery view. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the database. Select layout, and then choose gallery. We only want to see the time, so let's customize the gallery view. Click the three dots again. Select properties, and hide the database name. Now, select show and choose the time property. To clean up the design further, under gallery settings, set card preview to none. This removes the default page content and lets the time stand out. Finally, customize your clock. Play with the background color of the page, the font size, and even the font type to match your aesthetic. And that's it. You've created a functional and stylish clock right inside your Notion workspace.